Welcome. If you're tired of getting those constant join request notifications in Gmail and want to turn them off, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the updated steps to easily disable these notifications on your phone, so you can enjoy a cleaner, distraction-free inbox. First, start by opening your phone's settings. This is where all your app permissions and notification controls live. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and find the section labeled Apps. Tap on that to see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, find Gmail on that list and select it. This will open the app-specific settings. Here, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. Gmail's notification settings can be quite detailed, and this is where you're going to take control over what you want to see pop up. Inside Notifications, look for an option called Notification Categories, or something similar depending on your phone model. Tap this to reveal different types of notifications Gmail can show you, broken down into categories. Under the category labeled Other, you will see a toggle for Requests to Join. These are the notifications related to collaboration invitations or requests to join shared items through Gmail or connected Google tools. Simply switch the toggle for Requests to Join to the off position. Once you've done that, your phone will stop alerting you every time there's a new join request, giving you one less interruption throughout your day. And that's it. You've successfully turned off join request notifications in Gmail without having to dig through complex settings. Now your notifications will be a little more manageable, and you can focus on the emails and alerts that really matter to you. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more easy tech tips to make your digital life smoother. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful.